Are you feeling stifled by life on the road? Don't let travel dull your creativity. RV life offers a unique chance to indulge in your favorite hobbies, no matter where you are. Imagine sipping coffee by the mountains, crafting your next masterpiece. This is a space for makers, DIYers, and crafty souls to keep their hands busy while embracing RV adventures. Discover fun, space-saving craft ideas tailored for your RV lifestyle. Our kit recommendations include everything you need to keep creating, from candle making to jewelry. With a complete candle making kit, you'll enjoy a cozy craft experience wherever you park. It includes wax, wicks, and fragrances, perfect for campfire evenings. Looking for kid-friendly fun? The Creativity for Kids Camp Crafts Kit offers over 12 projects. It's a hands-on experience filled with beads, glue, and colorful instructions, making it ideal for RV family time. For those who love bracelet making, don't miss our bracelet bead kit. With over 3,100 pieces, this compact kit provides endless fun for all ages. Want to paint? The Shuttle Art Acrylic Painting Set is perfect for your RV. It features portable easels, canvases, and everything you need to express yourself while traveling. Lastly, try our CraftWiz embroidery kit. This portable set is ideal for quiet mornings or starry evenings in your RV, offering a soothing creative outlet. All these kits stand out because they're designed for small spaces. Enjoy a unique crafting experience that brings joy to your travels. So, why wait? Dive into your next crafting adventure now. Check out our kits and start creating beautiful memories today. The links to our recommended products are below, and don't forget to help us grow our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Happy RVing, and we look forward to seeing you soon.